Where are we?
Penelope explores. Penelope explores. How she opens every door. Penelope explores.
You gonna have a look?
Yeah.
Over there then. See the sign over there? It says it on that sign. Hayling Island Holiday Park.
Yeah.
Should we check in?
Yeah.
Have a look in here. Yeah, we'll do that later, won't we?
Can you smell the pool in here?
Yeah, must be next door to the pool, won't it?
Shower bar.
Mummy's back. Mummy's got our key. Better go outside the door.
Yeah.
Hey. There we go. Right, let's go and have a look.
Yeah.
We've got a big city.
What's
Is it a big city?
this?
What's in there then?
Nothing.
What's in that one?
Nothing.
Go and have a look. What's that house?
Because I was going to say kitchen stuff, obviously keep it kitchen, baby.
Nothing here.
Is that all they drink?
Come on, what's in there?
Oh, it's
Have a look at the bathroom. What else we see? This our room? Let's have a look. Go in there.
this one.
You have that bed. And then let's have a look at the other room. Oh, they got.
Toilet.
Let's have a look at the toilet. Then.
It's the same as the other one.
So it's a hot tub.
Yeah.
What are we looking at now?
The hot tub.
Yep.
Can I sit on it?
No, you can't sit on there. Do you want to go in it tonight?
Yeah.
Come on and have a look what's in there. I don't know. Mummy said it was something. Oh yes, we've got some toilet roll as a present. Oh, you got bat and ball. Who's this? Who's it? How do you know Cassius? Your cousin? Oh, good. Can't wait. Gonna go for it. Yeah.
You can hear him screaming.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, guys. just walking up to the
Have you seen that
stairs.
before? Let's hear your best witches cackles. Go!
This one is the vampire corner.
Oh, let's see your best vampires. Very good. Go to the skeleton corner. Perfect. Well done, Penelope. And everybody go to the witches corner. Go, go, go.
Everyone's going red.
Everyone go to the pumpkin corner. Go, go, go. Well done.
I don't think they need any more. I'm going to go get back in the box.
Okay, I've done it
Where's
before.
your I'll go find the box.
Right, then one more.
This is the my security guard.
What have we got to do with a speed bump? Jump.
It's not too bad, but I wish I could.
There's even bubbles in it.
Do you like the hot tub?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's really massive.
Is it nice and warm?
Yeah, so warm. That's my warm underwater.
It is lovely, isn't it? There's a slip and slide then, bit.
Slip and slide.
Can you give a toe?
Oh, nice and warm, Penelope.
Absolutely beautiful. Where's the baby chair? Oh, can we put him in there? Put him in the baby chair. Is he going to sing?
Who's this with you? Your cousin. Who is this? Noah. And who is this? Lulu. And they're your cousins. You haven't fun in the hot tub.
Here you go, baby. Shout out.
Cassia.
Show Cassie then.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in my room. So that's my bed. That's my bed. And that's my mum's bed. Mummy's bed. Okay, hello guys. I'm gonna go on a game. I'm in the arcade in Hayling Island. Okay guys, I'm gonna play a rolling thing that you roll a monkey. Okay, let's just start.
Do you like this game?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Ah, I fell off.
Is this your favourite game?
Yeah.
What the commentaries you got?
That was so fast, guys. How did I do that? Okay, guys, I'm in the play area. It's a bit quiet because no one's in here. Just take my shoulder. See what else is? It's a good, isn't it? I'm just going to put my boots here. Let's have some fun. Wait, okay, it says time for football. Let's go in this wobbly place. Oh. slide. Okay, so obstacle course. Doggy. Alligator or a crocodile. A duck. A sea lion. A tortoise. And a rabbit. Alrighty, it's gonna be dark. Woo-hoo! Woo! Oh, I'm on the floor. Okay, go in now. Bye.
You hold out your hand nice and flat.
Doing the weights.
And then just say, gently.
Good girl.
Right.
Close your hands
So
up with
close
the
your hand
biscuit
up.
in it.
And then say to her,
Then say speak,
speak.
sit.
It's like, there you go. Every hand
Then
up.
give her the biscuit.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You get in, press the button, then all the balls fall on your head.
Oh,
I have 71 tokens.
71.
Yeah, the big massive token.
What are we going to do down there?
Put my tickets in the machine.
Put your tickets in the machine so we see how many, if you can get a prize.
Yeah.
How many you got? Oh, look at all them.
I have 760.
Okay, go and press the button. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, bye.
What you got them? Show me. What is it?
This is
Can't see it.